What is up, guys? Long time no see. My name is Ebenezer Frimpong and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about why you will never make a single dime with Shopify print on demand if you're using Google Shopping as your traffic source. Let's get started. Alright guys, so this video is actually going to be a little different than my previous videos. We're actually going to have a conversation. Well, not necessarily a conversation, more like a story time, because I'm going to tell you guys a story. So in 2016, I set up a print on demand store in the cat niche. Right? Beautiful store, multiple different product categories, t-shirts, mugs, you name it. And after the store was finished, okay, let's start driving traffic. And what traffic source did I use, ladies and gentlemen? Google Shopping, my favorite traffic source. And I set it up, optimized this feed, I optimized the feed, the descriptions, and then I started optimizing my campaign. After a week or two, the store was live for 1 month. And at the end of the month, do you guys know how much I made? Go ahead and take a guess. I'm gonna give you guys a few minutes. Well, not minutes, a few seconds. Guess. That store made a whopping $400 in profit that month. Now, if you're a beginner, $400 is a sign that you're getting somewhere. At the time, $400, I had already seen big numbers. So $400 was not the numbers that I was looking forward to seeing, right? It wasn't the numbers that I was used to. So immediately I'm like, okay, it's a bad niche. Let's get rid of the store. I gave up on the store and I decided to sell it. So I went to flippa.com. Yes, I sell stores. I'll create a whole video on it, on how to set up, how to sell your store, the entire process. I'll make a separate video on that. So I listed the store on Flippa, and after I hit submit, I started scrolling through the other listings on the site. And I noticed something. There was another store that was for sale, also in the cat niche, also a print on demand store, and some of our products were very, very similar. Some of our graphics were very similar. So I took a look at this listing. That store was making a whopping $6,000 a month in profit. So you know what that told me? That told me it's not the niche, right? It told me I was just using a bad traffic source. It wasn't the niche problem. The niche was good. Traffic source was not cut out for the store. So I'm looking through the store and I noticed he's driving traffic with Facebook ads. He's targeting people who are obsessed and super passionate about cats, and it's working. So that got my brain juices flowing. So I figured out the issue. The reason why a niche print on demand store like a cat store, a cat print on demand store wasn't going to work with Google Shopping is because yes, people are looking for it. Yes, but people who are looking for those type of products already have a certain graphic or a certain design that they're already looking for, right? When they're searching for it, they've already seen something somewhere else and they're searching for it to buy it, right? Yes, you'll get clicks if you're selling cat mugs, right, with different cat graphics on it, but that person most likely has something in their head that they've already seen and are looking to purchase. That's the problem with Google Shopping ads when it comes to print on demand. Yes, there was a large search volume for it, but it wasn't gonna work. On the other hand, this person, whoever owned that other store, was on Facebook, one product at a time, right? Creating a campaign, one product from his one print on demand product at a time, and pumping it to a highly targeted audience. Of course, he was gonna sell a shit ton because that audience, he's showing them, okay, here, this is a cat mug, it's nice, dope, buy it right now. And it worked for him. If you're setting up a print on demand store, do not use Google Shopping ads. You're gonna waste your time and your efforts. You're gonna need Facebook or Instagram influencers. That's where Instagram influencers also come into play. Like, for example, recently I saw a brand, a t-shirt brand on Twitter, and they have a shirt where it's Jesus, but it's painted in vibrant different colors. They're using Instagram influencers, right? I've looked at their site. I've actually evaluated their site. They're not using they don't have a Facebook pixel installed or anything like that. So they're only using Instagram influencers right now, right? And they're not just using niche influencers. They're using people, right? Personal brand influencers. They're using popular YouTubers, stuff like that. That's what they're using. my entire rant is basically say, if you're going into print on demand, whether if it's a niche or to create your own clothing brand, use Instagram. If it's your own clothing brand, go directly to Instagram influencers, right? But if it's a product, you're creating a product that's within a certain niche, go to Facebook and go to Instagram influencers. That's where you see a lot more success. And the reason why I created this video is because a lot of people keep sending me their stores. Well, not sending me their stores, they're reaching out to me saying, hey, I set up a Google shopping campaign, but I'm getting no results. I'm like, sure, send me your store. I'll go ahead and take a look at it and see what's going on. And they'll send me their store and it's a print on demand store. Stop it. Stop the foolishness. It's not going to work. Google shopping ads are not meant for print on demand. Instagram influencers and Facebook are king when it comes to print on demand Shopify stores. And I'll create videos on how to do that. How to market your print on demand store with Facebook and Instagram. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the end of my rant. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and most definitely subscribe.